Hello everyone, in this video, we will introduce the usage method of monitoring an 800W waterproof inverter through a mobile app on the cloud. Compared to the previous generation's 800W waterproof inverter, we can see that this upgraded version has an additional communication port compared to the previous generation, which corresponds to the accessory. After the connection, we can start the related connection operations on our mobile phones. First, you'll need to go ahead and launch our Cloud Intelligence app and then enter the main interface to search for your device. You can search by turning on your phone's Bluetooth or by directly scanning the QR code on our device. Click the plus icon to add the device. Select Wi-Fi signal, enter the Wi-Fi password, click Next. The connected Wi-Fi network needs to be in 2.4G communication mode. After that, the system will enter the network configuration state. Once you have entered this page, it means you have successfully connected. Now, we can monitor the related data on our mobile phones. On this page, we can see CO2 induced environmental analysis, daily and total energy generation in kilowatt-hour, actual DC input voltage, current and power, actual AC output voltage, current and power, inverter temperature, historical, daily, weekly, monthly, power curve, power losses due to weather-induced effects, optional limitation of power output, as well as online switch for the inverter start-stop. That's all for this video. If you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments section of this video or contact us through our customer service email. Thank you for watching.